Hi everyone, I'm Vishnu, the CEO and founder of Invigilo Technologies. Consider the lives of construction workers, where every single second of their life is spent working in high-risk environments. Any wrong step they take could be one to their death. Globally, 1 out of 4 construction workers suffer a major accident at least once in a lifetime. This causes severe implications not just to their personal lives, but also to the construction companies. In the year of 2018 alone, 103 million man-days were lost because of construction site accidents. Every such accident comes along with it a safety stop work order that could cause an entire project to be delayed, sometimes up to months. A single week of delay for a project worth more than $10 million will cause the construction companies to lose an average of $600,000. And on top of this, they'll also acquire demerit points that will prevent them from participating in any government-related projects for subsequent years. To some of these companies, this could result in bankruptcy. On a global scale, the total construction accident is a massive $4 trillion. In a Singaporean context, this is $360 million, and that makes up 10% of the entire construction market size in Singapore. This massive and severe problem is being tackled by a rather primitive solution: manual inspection and tedious paper documentation. It is time-consuming, inaccurate, unstandardized, prone to human error, and highly unreliable. Imagine having a human being physically and painstakingly inspect every aspect of a construction site. This is impossible. However, we believe otherwise. Introducing Invigilo Technologies, the AI solution that empowers safety officers on site, leading to reduced accidents and losses. Simply place the Invigilo cameras at various strategic locations around the construction site, monitoring for high-risk activities. The video feed is then transmitted through 4G or Wi-Fi into our Invigilo SafeKey software. The software contains algorithms that automatically identify any form of safety violations that happen at these locations. Real-time alerts and a safety analytics dashboard is then populated for early intervention and predictive enforcement. We are able to detect for 9 different types of violations that happen in a construction site, and this comprises of more than 90% of the common types of hazards in a Singaporean construction site. Let me now take you through a case study of a project worth $28 million. This is actually a food court built in Woodlands a couple of years ago, and we have actually identified 10 different locations in the construction site. Zooming down into 3 different locations, in the first location, we're able to detect for things such as workers' proximity to dangerous machinery. In the next location, we can look for things such as the presence of guardrails, and also if the workers are leaning on these guardrails. In the last location, we can look for things such as if the workers are walking under a lifted load, as it could lead to a severe accident.
Invigilo SafeKey is a simple and effective solution to enhance safety of your worksite through real-time detection of hazards and unsafe practices. Place the cameras at various strategic locations around the construction site, monitoring high-risk activities. SafeKey comes with a simple user interface for user convenience. First, add the IP address of the camera. Next, select the kind of violations you want to detect. Invigilo is able to detect 9 common safety violations in a construction site. Upon detection of hazards or unsafe practices, real-time alerts are sent via Telegram. Detected violations are also saved in a gallery. Invigilo has a built-in dashboard to allow users to analyze safety violations and review unsafe work practices. Invigilo SafeKey. Join us as we reshape workplace safety.
Therefore, with our continuous monitoring and real-time alerts, along with our ability to detect for more than 90% of the common types of hazards, we're able to reduce the number of accidents by 50%. Every prevented accident would save the builders the $600,000 they would have otherwise lost. Furthermore, by reducing the efforts needed by safety officers, we enhance their operational efficiency by 40%. Without Invigilo, safety officers spend about 4 hours every single day doing manual patrols. With our system in place, the duration will be reduced to just 30 minutes. Lastly, with our ease of deployment and portable nature, it is critical in a construction environment as it is ever-changing and heavily cluttered. The global construction safety market size is valued at $34 billion and has a CAGR of 9.2%. The CE construction safety market size is valued at $800 million, and our launch market consists of projects worth more than $10 million, and that is valued at $230 million. There are existing competitors in this industry. However, with our ease and portability of deployment, along with our ability to detect for more than 90% of the common types of hazards, and also with our focus on behavioral safety, we are far more superior product. Our business model comprises of a fixed revenue stream from the hardware sales and a monthly recurring stream from the software subscription. We have already launched our Invigilo Shield product that performs COVID-19 safety measure enforcement, and have already obtained a purchase order for this product. We aim to launch our Invigilo SafeKey product by March 2021 and expand into the oil and gas industry by next year. And finally, we aim to have our very own robotic inspectors by late 2023. We have been in talks with several leading industry players and have already obtained a purchase order for our product and are currently in pilot projects with several players in the market. The team brings to the table more than 30 years of experience in this industry, with myself having a background in design thinking and software product management. I've also been awarded the Philip Pugh Fellowship that gives me great network and mentorship. Dr. Meenakshi, the CTO, has background in video analytics and mobile robotics and brings to the table more than 15 years of experience. She has also done similar work in nuclear power plants. Sun, the software lead, is a full-stack developer and has worked in companies such as Zendesk and PayPal. We're also being advised by some of the leading industry experts, such as Mr. Goh, who is the ex-director of Workplace Safety Health Council MOM, and Mr. Vijan, who is our commercial champion and has agreed to advise us with his deep experience in the construction industry. We are now looking for investors to scale up our product development and also continue our expansion. We're also looking for customers to adopt this product and also for our hardware suppliers to meet our hardware needs. You can find out more about us at invigilo.ai and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.